Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still in the 7th chapter. We're on part B. We are all in this together. The Peleoitz writes that a person should be happy when he sees other people fulfilling Hashem's will, and he should feel sad when he sees people sinning. He offers a beautiful mashal to illustrate this. Imagine a king who has asked each of his 10 children to take turns caring for their mother, the queen. When one of the princes was away, he forgot it was his day, and he did not take care of his mother. But even though he did not do the job, he still loves his mother and feels very sorry that he forgot about her. If he found out that his brother took over his job and tended to the queen that day, he would be elated. The Peleoid says that we have to look at the Torah as our mother. Of course, we would prefer to fulfill every mitzvah, but if we cannot, for whatever reason, and we hear that someone else did, we should say, Baruch Hashem, at least someone else is doing my job. As one of the great early Hasidic masters said, if there were only one esrog in the world, I would not insist that it came to me. As long as a Jew is serving Hashem, I am happy. It does not have to be me. We must be thankful and happy because we are all on the one team with one goal. We should look at ourselves as one big company and know that we benefit from the success of everyone else. The Sifres Emes in Parshat Vayera points out that when the heavenly angels proclaimed Hashem's holiness together, it says, and they grant with love permission one from another. The angels are all united in one mission, to praise Hashem, and therefore they have no jealousy or hatred towards one another. To the contrary, they are so happy with each other's service, for all they desire is to bring glory to Hashem. Thank you, and we'll continue tomorrow.